Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to search for items using Google Lens. So with Google Lens, you can point your camera at any object like clothes, gadgets, or furnitures, and Google Lens will identify it and show you similar products online, prices, and where to buy it. So let me show you how to use this. So here I've got a Google widget which I've added to my home screen. It just looks like this. Now to activate Google Lens, go ahead and tap on this camera icon here. And now this will activate Google Lens. So let's just say, for example, I have this lens and I want to know what kind of lens is this. So I can go ahead and scan this lens. Now this will basically take a picture and will show you similar products like that. Go ahead and browse through these products and find if you have found that item. You can look in products, you can look in visual matches. And from here, you'll basically get more information about this product itself. And there you go, guys. That is how to search for an item using Google Lens.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.